Good morning from me. Now I'm here in Dubai and I want to try to plant some plant. Okay, let me show you my garden progress in my little balcony. Here guys, the first I planting are my onions, garlic and everything here is from my kitchen, regrowing. I hope they growing well and I sometimes harvest them. And second one are my mint here. This is also regrowing. And this is my baby tomatoes. I have a lot from the seed. And this one I have also the watermelon. Here I have my big tomatoes start blooming. Big long chili, really hot. And this one, the cherry tomatoes. This is my favorite for food. And this one, some kind friends give it to me. The money trees, I love it. But I still put it into plastic so they can recovery. And here I have my petunias start blooming, the red ones, and I have also purple one, dark purples, close to black. And here the white ones. I'm waiting for blooming. Here some money tree also. I put it in bottle, looks so great. Here my big tomatoes again. I put it there to recovery. And then here my baby tomatoes, more baby tomatoes for me because I love it. Why not? Here my mints again from my kitchen. Here my mint. So I always harvest from here. Get this thing. Here also my friend give it to me. Look at that ant. Oh my god. Oh, that's not ant. That's flies. Okay. Really simple garden. But I'm so... Okay, that is it. That's all from my garden now. I hope they're growing well, and then after we can harvest it together. Okay, I will make a video also when I'm harvesting, and because I'm so excited. Okay, I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.